Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I legitimately have no idea what's in here. This is a huge box. You guys can't see it, but it's like another, from like right here, there's another 8 inches of box, and from right here, there's another 3 or 4 inches of box. This came from EDC with Oaken and Kane on YouTube. I have no idea what they sent, but we're about to find out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. You can find my Patreon link right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. I'm just going to kind of attack it at the sides, which you guys can't see because that portion is off camera. And I have to be careful about rotating it because I don't want to reveal personal information. I wonder if I can... There we go. Maybe? Come out like this? Let's see. Okay, yeah, okay. Slowly but surely. And this one right here. People are like, why do you use that to unbox? Why don't you just use a knife? Watch my series called Quest for the Ultimate Unboxing Knife, and you'll get clarification. Alright, one more small cut. Sorry. Contents will be revealed soon. Something long right there. Interesting. And there's a Civivi. And the rest of that's bubbles. It looks like, yeah, okay. Alright. Excuse me, what is this? Is it a bat? Okay. Gerber Legendary Blades. What? What is this? What? I don't understand. What is this? Alright. That's random. It's some sort of big, long... Oh, the Gerber Excalibur. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is a very long, very thin sword. It came with a wooden sheath here. That is very interesting. Oh, do I need to turn it the other way? Okay. There we go. Is that the way it... Yeah, okay. The Gerber Excalibur. I'm going to guess that that was a joke. Thank you very much. And then we have a Civivi. Is this... I feel like I've already had this one. Or is this... Maybe this is the mini, the smaller one that I haven't looked at yet. I can't remember. Does it say on the box? Oh, the mini Mastodon. Yeah. I have not looked at this yet. I wonder if this is from the pass-around group. I think maybe possibly that's where it's from. But this is cool. I like cleaver blades. Some people, you know, like them. Some people don't. I like them. I also like Red G10. So that's pretty cool. Guys, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know that there's anything else that I really can say here. Subscribe to EDC with Oaken and Kane. I think where's the front of the box? I don't know that I'm going to be able to show this. Yeah, EDC with Oaken and Kane, but I can't show it without showing their address. In any case, I'll make sure and reference that when we do the review on this guy. But anyways, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.